Different respected madams, teachers, supervisors, and all the honorable judges. So today's our topic is types of rainfall. So first I would like to introduce my group member. I am Jadav Jan. But he is Patel Nas, he is Mathar Shanan, he is Shahi Nipun, she is Roman Sonali, and he is Samir Samantha. Now first I will start from the basic of the types of rainfall. So today I am going to talk about something that is very important for all life on earth. That do you know what it is? It is rainfall. Rain only not quenches our thirst, but it also fills rivers and sustains the forests and supports agriculture and maintains the natural balance of our planet. Do you ever wonder why it rains in different ways and in different places of the world? The answer lies in types of rainfall. Now, I would like to introduce what is rainfall. Rainfall is one of the most common forms of precipitation. That is water falling from earth. That is water falling from clouds on the earth's surface. When the water vapor cools, the condenses and convert into tiny droplets. Then it become heavy. That it become heavy for due to fall due to of the gravity. However, all the rains are not formed in the same way. There are three main types of rainfall: cyclonic rainfall, orographic rainfall, and conventional rainfall. Now I would like to call my friend Rax Patel to explain the conventional rainfall in detail.
Thank you, Veera. Now I would like to explain conventional rainfall in detail. Conventional happens when the sun hits the ground, warming the air above it. This warm and bright air rises cool and conditions to form a climate cloud. The unstable cloud then produces heavy and short-lived rainfall after accompanied by thunderstorm. This type of rain is common in hot humidity region, mostly found in equatorial areas. Can occur daily on some days called 4 o'clock rainfall. For example, afternoon thunderstorm in the Amazon rainforest. Thank you. Now I will like to call my friend Shannon for explaining more polygraph rainfall in detail.
Thank you, Nash. Now I would like to explain about orographic rainfall. The second topic is orographic rainfall, also known as relief rainfall. It occurs when moisture is forced to rise. Over the slope. When moisture from sea moves towards land, it encounters a high mountain range. Unable to move through it, it is forced to rise over the slope. After it rises, it cools and condenses to form clouds, leading to rainfall on the windward side of the mountain. After crossing the peak, it descends to leeward side of the mountain. Here it becomes warm and dry, making it a rain shadow region where very little rain occurs. Characteristic features: heavy rain on the windward side of the mountain, little or no rain on the leeward side of the mountain.
Where is the windward side of the mountain?
This is windward and this is leeward. Example: the Deccan Plateau of India receive heavy rainfall on the windward side of the mountain. The western Ghats of India receive heavy rainfall on the windward side of the mountain, whether the Deccan Plateau lies in rain shadow region. The Andes Mountain and the Rockies Mountain show similar pattern. Thank you. Now I would like to call my friend Nikuj to explain about cyclonic rainfall.
Thank you, Sharon. Now I would like to speak about the cyclonic rainfall. The third type of rainfall is cyclonic rainfall. It occurs or frontal rainfall. It occurs when the two types of air meets together and make of a different temperature. When the dry warm air meets warm cold air, they pressurize the low level air to rise up, which make to clouds and which lead to rain. The characteristics of cyclonic rainfall. It leads for several days or months, several days or hours. It makes heavy big clouds and heavy clouds. For it often the rain is on the North America and Europe. In Europe for of 10 days. Now I would like to call Sonakshi for giving the summary of all three types of rainfall. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikunj. Now I will explain about the three types of rainfall. Types causes typical region characteristics. Convection. Surface heating and rising warm air, making equatorial regions heavy, short light with thunder. Orographic. Moisture force over mountainous coastal regions, rain on windward side and dry leeward side. Cyclonic. Meeting of a warm air and cold air masses, temperate region continuous, widespread rainfall. Importance of understanding the rainfall types. Understanding the rainfall types is not just an important for the geographical students. It has real world application. Farmers use the rainfall data to decide what crops to plant, and engineers plan dams, roads, bridges with knowledge of region rainfall. Meteorologists predict weather and help the communities to prepare for floods or droughts.
Floods or droughts.
Floods or droughts. Environmentalists study the rainfall pattern and track the climate change and its impact as ecosystem. Rainfall influences agricultural, water resources, and human settlement, making it a vital natural process for sustained life. Now I want to call Chanek for explaining conclusion.
In conclusion, I would like to tell that rainfall is one of the nature's most essential gifts to us. Whether it goes down on tropical thunderstorms or falls gently on the mountain slopes or spread across the temperate land, it shapes our weather, atmosphere and our very existence. The three main types of rainfall, convectional, orographic and cyclonic, all occur due to different atmospheric conditions, but all share a common purpose, bringing life-giving water to our planet. So from next time, when you see water droplets on a window or hear thunder from a distance, remember that you are witnessing the fascinating nature's process at work. I would like to call my friend Vedant to explain about models.
Thank you, Shani. Now I will explain about my model water cycle. When the sun's rays goes direct on the water, then it get hits and convert into water vapor, and water vapor goes into clouds, and clouds become heavy due to
Why does water vapor rise up?
because when the sun rays hits on the direct, then it gets hit and convert into water vapor.
Very good.
And then it convert into tiny droplets and fall on the earth. Now I would like to call my friend Naks Patel to explain conventional rainfall.
Thank you, Vedan. Now I would like to explain my model. This sun hits the ground,
Sun heats the ground, right?
warming air. This
Warm air rises up, yes.
cool and conventions to form a climate. Then unstable clouds produce heavy and short-lived rainfall. After accumulated by thunderstorm.
Lovely.
After accumulated by thunderstorm, mostly found in equatorial areas.
Equatorial.
Can occur daily on sometimes called 4 o'clock rainfall. And you know I would like to call my friend Snake to explain his model.
In this orographic rainfall, the mountain has two sides, the windward side and the leeward side. When the water from ocean gets heated and want to go the other side, it is unable to move through it. It is forced to rise over the slope of the mountain. Here it forms clouds and leading rainfall on the windward side. Then after the rain, it goes to the leeward side. Here it becomes warm and so much dry, and it is called rain shadow region.
Right. So why does the air going from here gives rain here and doesn't give rain on the leeward side?
Because it forms clouds and
or moisture laden winds give the rain here only. So nothing is left now. So this leeward side doesn't get rain at all. It's less rain.
So it gets less or no rain on the leeward side. So it becomes warm and dry. Now I would like to call my friend Nikunj to explain his model.
Now,
Take it in the hand.
Second.
Speak.
now when the warm air front meets the cold air front, they make a front which makes clouds and which leads to rain of cyclonic rainfall.
Cyclonic rain. Okay.
Now I would like to
Now
I would like to call Samir for the thanking speech.
Thank you, Nikunj. Now I will speak a nice thought, ending thought. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Now I will speak a thank you speech. Thank you, madam, for giving an educational opportunity to showcase our talent.